Smart money just took your stop loss. Again. And the worst part is, they planned it. I'm going to show you exactly how they do it using VWAP, and more importantly, how you can stop being the liquidity they are hunting. By the end of this video, you will know exactly 3 things. 1. How banks and institutions use VWAP to identify stop-loss clusters. 2. The exact price zones they target every single morning. 3. How to flip the script and trade with smart money instead of against them. Quick background on me. I trade MES futures with a funded TopStep account. My best single day was $1,480 on 2 contracts. I got there by learning to stop trading against the institutions and start following their footprints. VWAP is the biggest footprint they leave every single day. First, you need to understand what VWAP actually is to an institution. VWAP stands for Volume Weighted Average Price. It is the average price of every trade executed that day, weighted by volume. For a retail trader, it is a trend indicator. For an institution managing a $200 million position, VWAP is the benchmark they are measured against. They must trade near VWAP or they look bad to their clients. Here's the key insight most retail traders miss. Because institutions must trade near VWAP, they need liquidity. Liquidity means your stop losses. Your stop losses are sitting below recent swing lows and above recent swing highs. And smart money knows exactly where they are. This is not a conspiracy theory. This is just how large orders get filled without moving the market against themselves. Let me show you the classic stop hunt pattern on MES. It happens almost every morning between 9:30 and 10 a.m. Eastern. Price opens, it runs in one direction to grab the early retail traders who chased. Then it reverses hard through VWAP and moves the other way. The technical name for this is a liquidity sweep. The real name is smart money just filled their position using your stop loss as the fuel.
Now here is where VWAP becomes your weapon instead of their trap. After a stop hunt sweep below VWAP, smart money has their position filled. They now need price to move back up through VWAP to profit. This creates a very specific and very tradable setup. You wait for the sweep below VWAP, you wait for price to reclaim VWAP with a strong candle close above it, then you enter long targeting the high of day or the next significant resistance level. Let me give you a real example from March 11th, 2025 on /MES. Market opened at 9:30, /MES was trading at 57.80, price ran down to 57.40, sweeping the overnight low and taking out stops below it. I watched it hit that zone, then a strong bullish candle closed back above VWAP at 57.73. I entered long at 57.75, stop at 57.55, 20 points of risk, $100 on 1 contract. Target was 58.20. I hit it 38 minutes later for $225 on 1 contract. Now let me show you how to identify where smart money is placing the stop hunt before it happens. There are 3 zones they target every morning. First, the overnight high and overnight low. These are magnets. Every stop sitting above the overnight high or below the overnight low is a target. Second, the prior day high and prior day low. Third, any obvious swing high or swing low from the previous session that has multiple touches. The more obvious the level, the more stops are sitting there. The more stops, the more attractive it is to smart money. Here is how I add VWAP to confirm which direction the stop hunt is coming from. In the first 15 minutes of the session, I watch where price is relative to VWAP. If price is above VWAP at 9:45, smart money's likely stop hunt target is above the market. They'll push higher first to grab stops above the overnight high, then reverse and sell back through VWAP. VWAP tells you the direction of their trap before it springs.
Now let me teach you the second VWAP stop hunt pattern, the midday reset. Around 11 a.m. to noon Eastern, volume drops. Smart money uses this low volume window to reset their position and run another stop hunt. This one is usually smaller. Price drifts away from VWAP during the lunch hour, then makes one more sweep of a key level before the afternoon session picks up around 1:30 p.m. I avoid trading the 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. window on most days. The risk reward is poor because the moves are smaller and choppier. Here is the most important risk management rule when trading VWAP stop hunt setups. You never enter into the sweep, you wait for confirmation. Entering into the sweep means you are the stop being hunted. Waiting for the VWAP reclaim means you are entering after smart money already filled their position and the move is about to start. The difference between those two entries on ES is about 20 to 40 points. That is $100 to $200 per contract. Patience is literally worth money in this setup. Let me walk you through my complete morning checklist for this setup. Step 1, identify overnight high, overnight low, prior day high, prior day low before market open. Step 2, at 9:30, watch which direction price moves first. Step 3, identify VWAP position. Step 4, if price runs to one of those key levels and then shows a strong reversal candle back through VWAP, that is your entry signal. Step 5, stop goes 10 to 20 ES points beyond the swept level. Target is the next significant VWAP anchored level or the opposite key level from step 1. Here are your 3 takeaways from today. 1. Smart money hunts stops at predictable levels, overnight highs and lows, prior day highs and lows, and obvious swing points. VWAP is their benchmark and the scene of the crime. 2. The setup is not the sweep, it is the reclaim. Wait for price to sweep, reverse, and close back through VWAP before entering. 3. Risk management keeps you in the game. Stop beyond the swept level. Target minimum 2-to-1 risk reward. $100 of risk should target $200 minimum.
If you want the exact VWAP and Smart Money Confluence cheat sheet I use every morning, the link is in the description. It shows every level I mark, every confirmation I need, and the exact entry rules for this setup. Grab it free. And if you want to go even deeper, join Sentry Trading Group Discord. Link is in the description too. We discuss these setups live every morning before the open. Next video, I am going to show you what happens when both VWAP and Smart Money line up on the same trade, and why that combination has the highest win rate in my playbook. If this video helped you understand how Smart Money operates, drop a comment below. Tell me, have you ever been stopped out right before the move you called? That is a stop hunt. I read every single comment and I will reply personally. Hit subscribe so you do not miss the next video. See you next time.